Moultrie's Pro Hunter 3 feeder kits come in two different models. The directional feeder is perfect for feeding fish at your favorite fishing hole, and the 360-degree feeder is great for throwing corn to attract deer during the season. They have an all-new design and connected tech. With Moultrie's Quick Lock system, installation is easy. The new design makes it easier to access the timer with a latch door. You can program up to 10 feed times per day, up to 60 seconds, and customize the motor speed. You can program it manually or connect via Bluetooth to sync with sunrise and sunset, check battery levels, and even run the feeder, all from the Moultrie app. Plus, when you pair your feeder with our new Edge 3 Series camera, you get remote control access using cellular connectivity, so you can manage your cameras and feeders in one app.